Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy stocks on market.com. So first of all, create yourself an account, and then after that you will see this screen right here. And now if you want to buy stocks, it's very simple because we click right here on shares. If you click here on shares, you will find here a list with all the shares that we can buy. So you can also search right here if you want to do that. So search for Tesla and you will find Tesla, click on it. And then right now we can buy Tesla right here. There's a little side note because the market is closed right here. Almost, I think, but maybe we can still reach it. So now we click here on buy, select right here how many shares you want to buy. So let's do, for example, 10. And then you see right here the value. Then we go right here to place order. And now we placed ourselves a order right here for Tesla. So this is how you can buy stocks right here on markets.com. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.